I channel information from the spirit realm that I find fascinating. So this video is going to be a continuation of the last download that I got where I compared God to counting from 1 to infinity. God is both the 1 and the infinity, and everything in between is just a different amalgamation, a different arrangement of the same one thing to create a different vibration, to create a different perspective. So 2, 3, 4, 5 appears different, but it's just a different perspective, different perspective, different perspective of the same one thing. And this is the equivalence of God and existence and everything in between. So God is everything, including the negative. Just like how numbers can have a positive value going up, it can have a negative value going down. The neutral balance point being 0. 0 is not the absence of numbers, 0 is the inclusion of all the numbers from 1 to 9, because 9 is the end of numbers. So the balance point of God is the inclusion of all existence. This is where it gets a little tricky. Every single digit has its own unique resonance. So when you begin to multiply or add or divide or subtract to create an equation, what you're doing is creating a signature vibration. A signature vibration that stores information. The speed of light and gravity is a signature vibration of Earth. The speed of light can be measured to the reduction of numbers. If one single digit was added to that variable, you will no longer be on Earth. You'll be in another dimension. Space-time is measured by the speed of light. The geometric pattern of the speed of light can be deduced to a circle, and this is why Earth and all the planets above are round. Everything in existence can be deduced to an equation of numbers to create a unique signature vibration, including us. So if you're born under a zodiac sign, which we are, then we are made up of a unique set of numbers to create a geometric pattern. Even DNA can be measured numerically. We're a part of one big equation that's included beyond the parameters of our physical reality. And that's why you can't fit God in a box of religion or yourself in religion. If space-time can be measured, that means it can be frozen into a snapshot. And if it can be frozen into a snapshot, that means it's not moving at all. If you were to count from 1 to 9, it will take you a few seconds. But if you were to count to 0, it'll take you no time at all. And that's because the destination points and the beginning points are rolled up into one location variable. To move from 1 to 9 creates the illusion of lapse of time. To go from 1 to 9 is just a different perspective, different perspective, different perspective. If the destination point and the beginning point are the same, then you're just shifting perspective. And you can go from 9 to 5 or from 2 to 8, just a shift in perspective. Every single number is a vibration of God from a different perspective. Every amalgamation of numbers is stored information of God from a different perspective. So every thought that comes into your mind isn't a thought coming into your mind at all. It's a shifting of God from one unique amalgamation of you to a different unique amalgamation of you with that thought. Every version of you, it's its own unique vibration with its own unique set of thoughts. So God is shifting from one version of you to the next version of you, creating the illusion of movement and creating the illusion of, oh, I just had a thought.